In this video, I'm going to go over how I'm using crypto loans to pay off my credit card bill. If you haven't done so already, then do take a moment to subscribe to this channel so you can get similar content that can help you on your trading journey. And I would also appreciate a like. Also, if you do decide to open a Celsius wallet, then I would also appreciate that you use my referral link in the description box below, whereby you get $50 worth of Bitcoin and I get a referral bonus. If you've ever heard the term, "Can you have your cake and eat it too?" then this is literally what you can do with your crypto loans. Your cryptocurrency coins are your assets, and they're valuable because they've appreciated in price since the time you've acquired them. That means you have value locked up in your coins, and a crypto loan will help to unlock this inherent value. Using your cryptocurrency as collateral, you can free up the inherent value in your coins by getting a loan. And wallets like Celsius and Nexo make it really easy for you to do this. So what exactly is a crypto loan and how does it work? Crypto loans are collateralized loans given to borrowers in exchange for their crypto assets as collateral. A borrower obtains fiat loans from lenders in lieu of his crypto assets, which act as securities in the absence of repayment of the loan. The Celsius wallet provides balloon loans, which means you pay interest every month and the principal amount is paid back in one payment when you close the loan. Similar to a traditional loan, the crypto loan amount is deposited into the borrower's bank account, and then the borrower pays EMIs to the lender. Once the amount is paid back in full, the lender releases the collateral that acted as security. Crypto lending offers a series of advantages that are lucrative to hodlers. That is, people who choose to hold their crypto coins over a long-term period. The most appealing advantage of crypto lending is favorable interest rates and transaction fees. The fact that you do not need a bank account to transact is also helpful. This could be a game changer for many people, considering the number of unbanked adults in the world has reached 1.7 billion. Also, the procedures for getting a crypto loan are often simplified and less time-consuming than traditional banks. Since most of your transactions are done online, getting a crypto loan is not limited to a specific geographic area or nationality. One of the main disadvantages of crypto lending is a higher chance of default than you would have with traditional loans, which are often federally insured. The level of insurance that you could get with crypto lending is certainly not to the extent that you would get with traditional loans. Also, since the processing of the loan is almost entirely conducted online, it is more prone to hacks and online attacks. The APR on an average credit card, at least in the United States, is about 26.99%. With a crypto loan from the Celsius wallet, your interest can range from 1% to 8.95% as at the making of this video. Rounding up both APRs, the APR for the credit card is 27%, whilst the maximum APR for the Celsius loan is 9%. That means you are paying back a minimum of 3x to a maximum of 27x times the interest on a credit card loan than you are on a crypto loan. With all said and done, it does look like it makes more financial sense to rely on a crypto loan to pay off any high interest credit card loans. And of course, since I'm not your financial advisor, I can only speak for myself. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them, and I'll meet you in the next video.